accelerating uphill! Woo!
This 2-litre HGI Berlingo is super low on power. I'm struggling to hit 3000 revs, overtake lorries, and drive uphill. I believe the culprit is a stuck open EGR valve, which is common with Berlingos of this age. So what this means is my engine's getting fed nasty exhaust gases rather than fresh clean air. To start the EGR delete, first unplug this vacuum hose. And then we're going to take a 10mm socket and just move this other hose out of the way. So there's one bolt over the top, and then you can shift this right out of the way. Well, you can tuck it slightly out of the way. So this bolt just coming into focus is one of two 10mm, incredibly hard to get to, a little bit rusty, so a spray of persuasion, and then we're going to get right into it. I did this one with a socket. It was hard going and kind of awkward, but I got it out not too bad, didn't round it off. Helps a good one. Don't drop it, don't drop it. Bolt number 2 is even less compliant. Now, you can't see this one, so I had to cop a feel. This is me reaching around trying to figure out where exactly it is. In my wisdom, I thought I'll pop the socket on there first and then lock it on. There she is.
A few moments later.
Right, well that's gone forever, so I've got my spanner instead. This little stubby spanner is much easier to get onto the bolt. I should have started with it.
Righty tighty. Lefty loosey.
A slightly better spanner. Great success. Then it's a pair of pliers to remove the clip for the pipe which leads to the inlet manifold. And just pull this bad boy up and out. It should come straight off. It's got a little bit of heft to it. Don't forget to grab the metal gasket, which will also be just underneath. And here we are, your EGR valve. So this bottom section here is where it goes to the exhaust manifold. This is probably clogged and the root of my issues and pain. Then there's the gasket, which is going to go back on, followed by the blocking plate, followed by the EGR valve. Just bolt it all back in place. And it is really that simple. So the first thing I'm going to do is just go in and delete those codes, clear the error codes, which I believe are due to the EGR valve, fire up and just kind of see what happens.
Take this for a little spin and see what that EGR valve blocker has done. It's not one bang. But I'm going to take it to a short little drive. I wonder if my pliers will fall out. Yeah, I dropped my nose pliers in the engine, so they're in there somewhere. Though I did get my 10mm back, so that's not all bad. Not all bad. Right, I'm just getting into the little National. God, these brakes are dreadful. Sorry I didn't bring my microphone, but I wasn't prepared for this test drive. Let's see, I'm not confident. Okay, that is foot flat. Oh! Oh! I got a little turbo lag. That's that's amazing. I mean, it's slow. Don't get me wrong, it's very slow. But so I was just watching the rev counter, and normally at about 2,500 revs, it just sort of caps out, and I have to change up gear to then drop the revs and get the speed to build up to about 2,500 revs, and then so with that I just put my foot down, and there was a little delay, and then it was like, oh, you want to go faster? Don't get me wrong, this is not a fast car, but now I can accelerate. Come on, little car. So that's 3,500 revs then. I haven't seen that before. Even going downhill with the wind behind me. Oh my goodness. Well, that confirms then that the power was purely the EGR valve. How cool. Right, I'll give it one more time. Oh my goodness. Speed and power. I'm accelerating uphill! Woo! Oh. My horn doesn't work anymore! No, that only fixed itself the other day.
The horn did work. Oh, oh. Oh my goodness! The horn hasn't worked.
Goodness me! What a machine. Well, no more French horn. Give with one hand and taketh with the other. Oh yeah, I'll probably send the map sensor back. I'll keep hold of it for a couple of days, see if I need it. If this engine management light doesn't come back on, then I'll get rid of it. I'll send it back. That was £25 I didn't need to spend. with EGR valve.